Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on MoodleClicks. I hope you watched my first video on how to install the brand new Moodle 5.2 on Ubuntu 24 server in a simple and faster way, and I hope you found it helpful. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your new Moodle site after installation. We will cover how to change the site full name and short name, update the default location settings, and improve the overall look of your site by adding logos, background images, and brand colors. Let's get started. Here we are on a fresh Moodle site dashboard. The first thing we will do is change the site full name and short name. Go to Site Administration. Under General, scroll down until you find Site Home Settings and click on it. Here you can update the full site name and short name for your site. Enter the names that best match your school, company, or organization. The full site name is the main name displayed across your Moodle platform, whereas the short name is usually used in navigation areas and browser titles. Since I already have both names set correctly, I am leaving them as they are. Once done, scroll down and click Save Changes. You may notice there are many more useful settings available in this section. We will cover the remaining home page and front page settings in another video after enabling and configuring the home page properly. Next, let's update the default site location settings. Again, go to Site Administration. Under General, scroll down to Location Settings and click on it. Here you will see the default time zone option. For example, if your site is in India, you can select Asia Kolkata. This ensures dates, times, schedules, and reports display correctly. Below that, you will also see Force Time Zone. If you want all users to use the same time zone, you can set it here. Otherwise, leave it as users can choose their own time zone. After updating these settings, scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, let's make your Moodle site look more professional. Go to Site Administration, then Appearance, then Themes. A new Moodle site comes with two default themes, Boost and Classic. Both work well on mobile devices and desktops. By default, the active theme will be Boost. Now, click on the gear icon of the Boost theme to open the theme settings. Under the General Settings tab, scroll down. Here, you can upload a background image for your site. You can also upload a login page background image to give your login screen a custom and professional appearance. Next, choose your brand color. This color will be used across buttons, links, and key design elements of your site. Once everything is selected, click Save Changes. Now, let's upload your logos. Go to Site Administration, then Appearance, then Logos. Here you can upload your main logo. You can also upload a compact logo which is used in smaller navigation areas. And finally, upload your Favicon which appears in the Browser tab. After uploading all images, click Save Changes. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and see how our site looks. As you can see, the logo, background image, and brand color have been updated. Let's log out and take a look at the login page. As you can see, the login page has also been updated. And that's it. You now have a Moodle site with your own custom details, branding, and professional appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and Moodle updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.